In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change your persona in Janitor AI. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to janitorai.com, and once you're there, just proceed to log in or sign up for an account. So for this case, just head over and click on your profile icon right here, and from there, click on My Personas. Clicking on that will actually direct you to the Janitor AI personas. In this part, you can see all the personas that you have. As you can see, I currently have one, which is this. So if you want to create a new persona, head over and click onto this new option. Input right here their name. And then for this case, just describe this persona. And then you can group it or add it to pronouns. Once you have done that, click on create. So if you want to change your persona, you can change which one will be the default one. So as for now, our default is this one, but if you want to make your default, just head over and click on this one right here, clone this persona, or you can also just make it your default by clicking on three dots and doing this just like that. You can reorder it by clicking on this and moving it just like that in order to make this your new one. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.